Now in this figure, you all can see that two straight lines AB and CD intersect at a point at this point, right? They intersect at this point. Okay, this point, we can say that this point is O. So AB and CD, they intersect at a point, right? And when they intersect at a point, the angles are formed here, right? There are the angles formed here when the two lines intersect each other at a point. You can see that this angle A, angle B is formed, angle C and angle D is formed, right? We can say that this angle C and angle D are vertically opposite angles. This angle A and angle B are vertically opposite angles. Alright. To find the relationship between the vertically opposite angles, we have to see that we can see that over here this is a straight line CD, this is a straight line AB. We all also can see that angle C and angle B are on a straight line. Okay, so we can say that angle C the sum of angle C and angle B is equals to angle C plus angle B. Because they are on a straight line, we can also say that they are also the sum of these angles is equal to 180. Why? Because they are on a straight line, right? And we can also say that angle A and angle D, their sum is also is equals to 180. Okay, there are different relationship between the angles. So this is also the relationship between these angles, that CB, sum of CB is equals to 180, sum of AD is equals to 180. Why? Because they are on a straight line. You can see that A and D are on a straight line, C and B are on a straight line. But if you see angle A and B, angle C and D, these angles are vertically opposite angles. Okay, we can see that angle C and D are C is vertically opposite to angle D and A and B vertically opposite to each other. All right, is it clear to everyone? Angle A is vertically opposite to angle B and angle C is vertically opposite to angle D. Alright, whenever two lines intersect each other, they form angles, and these angles which are vertically opposite, or the angles that are opposite to each other, we say that these angles are vertically opposite angles. And there is an abbreviation that we use for vertically opposite angles. We write it like this, the short form VER for vertically, OPP for opposite, and angles sum is like this. Alright, so this is the abbreviation that we use for this property, that when two lines intersect each other at a point, the angles formed are vertically opposite angles. Alright, so now in the previous example that I have been showing you here, in this example we can see that over here, let me show you another example before doing this question. This is line A, B, this is line C, D. Now you can see that this line AB and CD are intersecting at this point. Alright, and we can say that this point is point O, where they are intersecting each other. Okay, and then there is another line over here which is forming two angles here, which is one is 56 degrees and one is 81 degrees. All right, just give me a minute so I can see the question clearly. Have I drawn the right one? Okay, now over here we have to find out angle AOD. Alright, first we have to find out how much is angle AOD. Where is AOD? This is AOD. how much is this angle? If you all can see that now, this angle and this angle you can see are vertically opposite angles, because these two lines are intersecting at this point. So this whole angle is same as this whole angle. All right, if you can see here also, this I am going to highlight this here. This angle you can see is same as this angle, right? So AOD will be is equals to, you can say that AOD is equals to 56 plus 81. Okay, because you can see here it is similar to this, right? It is vertically opposite to this. This AOD is vertically opposite to this whole angle. Not only this 81, not only this 56, it is vertically opposite to this whole angle, 81 plus 56. So we can write down here the reason is, you can write down the reason here, they are vertically opposite angles. This is the reason, and we can write down the answer of 56 plus 81 is 137. So this angle will be 137 degree, and the reason is that they are vertically opposite to each other. All right. So that's how we have to find out the vertically opposite angles. This one is an example. I'm going to show you another example.